Every woman speaks two languages at the same time, one with her words and one with her body. Most men only listen to the first one, and that's why they stay confused, rejected, and constantly guessing what she really wants. But if you learn to read the second language, the silent one, you unlock an advantage that 99% of men never develop. This isn't mind reading, it's psychology, observation, and emotional intelligence. And by the way, if you like videos that decode human behavior and make you a magnetic man, go hit subscribe to the Magnet Code. Your future self will thank you. All right, let's begin. 1. The eye contact triangle. When a woman is attracted to you, her eyes don't move randomly. They follow a predictable pattern. Left eye, right eye, lips. It happens fast, in under 2 seconds, but it's the body's oldest instinct checking, do I want to kiss this person? If she keeps repeating this pattern during conversation, it's not accidental. She's imagining you closer than you are. If she only keeps eye contact at forehead level, no triangle, that means she's keeping things friendly, safe, and non-romantic. Polite, not passionate. 2. The hair play signal. Hollywood didn't invent this. Women touch their hair when they're nervous, excited, or trying to appear more attractive. It's a subconscious grooming gesture, and grooming is a primal flirting cue. But here's the trick most men miss. If she twists the ends of her hair while leaning toward you, it's interest. If she does it while leaning away, it's just stress or boredom. 3. The openness test. When a woman feels comfortable or attracted, her body opens naturally. Shoulders relaxed, palms visible, legs uncrossed or crossed toward you. The body avoids protecting vital organs around someone it trusts. So the more open her posture, the more positive the feeling. Simple. Closed-off posture, arms crossed, shoulders tense, body angled away, is the opposite. It doesn't always mean dislike. It can also mean she's shy, but it does mean she's not fully comfortable yet. 4. Feet don't lie. Forget the smile. Forget the words. The feet are the real truth tellers. If her feet point toward you, that's genuine connection. If they point toward the exit, she's mentally leaving the conversation, even if her face is polite. This is one of the most honest signals women give because feet can't fake interest. 5. The subtle lip display. When a woman is attracted, she sends micro-signals. A quick lip bite, a soft lip press, a slow lip touch with her finger, or she applies lip gloss suddenly. These actions highlight one key area, her mouth. That's not an accident. It's a biological invitation cue. But a tight, pressed, thin-lipped expression is the opposite: discomfort, disagreement, or emotional withdrawal. Let's continue decoding the hidden signals women send, the ones men usually overlook. And if you're enjoying this deep dive into psychology and attraction, don't forget to subscribe to The Magnet Code, where we turn silent behavior into powerful understanding. Now, let's break down the next level of female body language. 6. The distance shift. A woman reveals her comfort with distance. If she takes small steps toward you, leans a bit closer, or reduces personal space without noticing, that's attraction. No woman willingly moves closer to a man she wants to avoid. But if she steps back, angles her torso away, or keeps an object between you, like placing her purse in front of her, that's her instinct protecting her emotional space. Context is everything. If she steps back but keeps smiling and talking, she might just be shy. If she steps back and her tone becomes shorter, she's disconnecting. 7. The authentic smile. Not all smiles mean interest. A real smile grows slowly and activates the eyes, soft squints, tiny wrinkles, warmth. A fake smile is instant,
tight and only uses the mouth. Women use polite smiles all the time, but genuine smiles, those are rare and usually reserved for someone who makes them feel something. If her smile widens the moment you appear, that's emotional openness. 8. The mirroring signal. Women subconsciously mirror the body language of men they feel connected to. If you lean in, she leans in slightly. If you slow down your speech, she slows down too. If you take a relaxed posture, she adjusts hers to match. This isn't manipulation, it's a psychological synchronization. When a woman doesn't mirror you at all, the emotional chemistry still hasn't clicked. 9. The voice shift. Attraction often reveals itself in tone. A woman who likes you may speak softer, warmer, or more expressive. She may laugh more easily, elongate certain words, or increase her vocal melody. This voice shift is subtle, but powerful. It means she's emotionally engaged. If her voice becomes flat, robotic, or overly formal, she's closing herself off. 10. The grooming instinct. When a woman adjusts her hair, fixes her clothes, checks her jewelry, or straightens her posture around you, it's not vanity, it's instinct. People groom themselves when they want to look better for someone they're attracted to. Watch for those small adjustments right before she starts talking to you or when she notices you looking at her. That preparation is a quiet but strong green light. 11. The playful touch. Physical contact is one of the clearest indicators of interest. A light tap on your arm, a playful shoulder bump, a quick touch during a joke. These gestures aren't accidental. Women don't touch men they feel uncomfortable around. But remember, touch plus smile equals flirting. Touch plus no emotion equals friendly. No touch plus closed posture equals distance. 12. The shy attraction pattern. Not all women express attraction boldly. Some hide it behind shy behaviors. Quick glances followed by looking away, nervous laughing, fidgeting with sleeves, bracelets, or fingers, sudden quietness when you get close, blushing or covering her face. These aren't rejection signs. They're signs of emotional vulnerability. 13. The look-back test. This one is powerful. If she walks away, then turns to glance back at you, even for a split second, that's attraction. People look back when their mind is curious or invested. No glance equals neutral. Glance plus smile equals strong interest. 14. The conversation energy shift. Interest creates energy. She leans in, listens closely, reacts quickly, laughs more, and asks follow-up questions. She remembers the details you tell her. Disinterest creates emotional silence. Short replies, distracted eyes, slow responses, or constant phone checking. A woman who wants you will never give you low energy. Women rarely express attraction directly. They express it through small gestures, microsignals that reveal their real emotions. When you understand this language, you stop overthinking and start leading confidently. And if you want more content that sharpens your psychology and boosts your presence, subscribe to The Magnet Code. This is where your transformation begins.